Welcome traders. Today I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a free trading room. So there's going to be two links that you're going to need. They'll be in the description of the video. But the first link is the actual link to sign up, forexlens.com/trading-room. And what you're going to do is you're going to click here to apply. And in this form, you're going to fill it out. Obviously, fill it out to the best of your ability and with the most accurate information, especially the email. So once you fill this out, just go ahead and click I agree to the terms and submit, and then check your email. It may take a couple minutes. Give it 5 to 10 minutes. I suggest you use Gmail for this sole purpose, and make sure you check your spam folders, but you'll get an email saying you've qualified for our beta program / trading room. Go ahead and click it, and at this point you're going to scroll down and you see your email and a password. All these login credentials are unique to you, and so what you're going to do is go to the second link in the description, the forexlens.com/portal, and this is where you will copy and paste your information. I suggest you do copy and paste it just to make sure you enter everything correctly, and if you want you can save the login into your browser, so for next time just click remember me. You won't have to enter it, and go ahead and click login and you should be in. Click save and just give it a moment, and here you go. So every morning at 11 a.m. once you log in, you'll have the New York live session running, and that's how you get access to the trading room. We'll have the chat up soon, but if you have any problems getting the email sent to you or logging in, just email support@forexlens.com and we'll help you get you started.